Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Match on my boy against Aduana Stars. Asante Kotoko share Aduana by 1-0 goal from Kalu Atara. And Chese DSC behind the scenes, Yabuanwa Jede April. This is the warm-up. And from the warm-up, we're a comprehensive report that gives you everything behind the scenes, the deliberations, the celebrations and the jubilations. Any canning in Abuma, the warm up and I say, who's Asante Kotoko Mrantiano, team starting 11, my report in this year. Now, a branch of Scenes-Danlad Ibrahim, now when a year Augustine, a Japan, a year right back, no when a year Nana Benini Amua. Along the line, coach, Nana Benini Amua Frimu. Ede abrante friend Nicholas Osebonsu ebeshemwa na enya asem ketua enya no pe center back na ye abrante a your friend Henry Ansu and I'm complimenting the effort with Henry Ansu ejina mubi ena abrante a your friend Nuruddin also ejina mubi osi akan ema Asante Kotoko echire ho. Now in midfield na ubenya abrantia ye freno Andrews inti menu na wenya abrantia ye freno Sharif Mohammed na odi abrantia ye freno Richmond Lamte so epi so na uko wanimu a na attack no Peter Aqua along the line coach no Peter Aqua free mu ena ode abrantia friend Richmond Opoku Dembele from Caris Academy, Caris boy no wo modern car ho ena oko George Mfegue so coach ni Mfegue free mu ena ode abrantia your friend Enoch Morrison ebeshemu ena the final substitution Kalu Atara so enya game no be boy. Now this is the warm-up session, ahano na chese crossing, ena na omoye crossing na players na abashim, omoye crossing na players na abashim na bibia etimi akoyi. Enti omo cross ball na omo abashim. Enti on the goalkeepers no omoye warm-up na so omodi kan go first. So that is what you are watching on say Obed TV. Enti what is the warm-up section? Inti crossing na right back and left back na Nana Benini na Richmond Lamte Kalu Watara na abranti freno Bena Somani George Mfegue Nijina the central areas na omehudi omoye na omepia ball nti crossing nko ena na omoje edema Asante Kotoko na Benini na omoye crossing. Now moving forward, omo aye what we call the warm up na wie enti ahano omo ye warm down na ese mutumika na mo warm down mutumika ni wie ya na mo go straight to the dressing room to we what we call the warm down and na emrantie no wo ha na chese omo warm down ti omo wie warm up they all have to move inside to the dressing room na omo atake no from there, so they move from the dressing room to ahano. The players are going to the dressing room to go and change and prepare for the game itself, the game proper. Now, these are the times are not in penny for exchanging pleasant to say. W. Tando now Timisoni Emmanuel Newton Dasuberi now to say Zhao a champon so Omoka to say good times, they are good friends. Atamfo, and this is the tunnel and an mobile Sabro mobile now being an Kwame Dankwa communication member of Asante Kotoko na omobon some edema mrantiano ebro mufi tunnel ho eba na omehudi omobeye. So this is the players coming out of the tunnel. The team was led by Nana Benini Amua na Danlad Ibrahim, George Mfegue, Augustine Japan, Andrews Intimenu, Nuruddin, Bernard Somwa, na Hauhi Manuel Jemfi, Isaac Minta, last player, to leave the dressing room was Sharif Mohammed ono enana ono so eginechiri enana chese edwuma no ekosa nkakra nti players na ha omo line up na omasa bompaye edi episo na amadwumadie no aye kama na aye kama. So this is the behind the scenes that you are enjoying here live on Seobe TV. Nti aha no so no chese omo chechia na omo ko ni ade na aboa ama bibia aye fine na ntoma chechia wie. Don't forget there was a 1 minute silence which was observed. There's a 1 minute silence which was observed at the Emma Pennyfor. Na a former First Lady Teresa. Teresa Kofo. There was a what we call 1 minute silence which was observed for her. And 1 minute silence being said. We more observe at the Amano. Na amadwumadie ni nyina akoye nti two teams na abegyina field no so. Now this is where they observe the 1 minute silence for the former First Lady. Na aboa amadwumadie ni nyina akoye. So you are watching now. We are getting to the interesting part. Na ahano time Asante Kotoko Atara she go the reaction of the bench and made the how happy the bench was. The whole stadium now was electrified. And Asante Kotoko said, "I'm out for any Japan. I said, I'm electrified. I just said to me, coach, born in 7 years. I just said, I'm out for any for Asante Kotoko scoring the goal. To your hand out to me, say, they didn't go from the fans of Asante Kotoko. I'm live on Seobe TV. The match and of course coach your friend Ogun also decided said do be so to me frame ranch ni bina one of kasa na on say adebo omo ya na enye. So when things are going on well now with a coach from Ontario how friend Lamte and I just say Aduana player friend Richard Tete also decided so be actually now also about the coach can do it Obano about the. So this is the end of the first half and they are all going to the dressing room and also near the players name bank at this time now the scoreline was 1-0 in favor of Asante Kotoko and I just said now also Moyo until to say our champion Emmanuel James which Molamte Peter Aqua na wenya Kalu Watara na omudidi echiria na wenya Mfegue muso bench Richmond Opoku muso ba na Blaze so agent fans na so any fans ketwa now oma dressing room womo eba na yatwa so edi free ho. So this is the players coming back from the dressing room to enjoy all the other amazing scenes that popped up. Players being way by Enoch Morrison and Bernard Sumwa because the coach wanted to make early change. So this is Enoch Morrison coming from the bench whilst the team move on. So Obeyi George Mfegue Pride and the coach decided to say Mfegue free right after the first half for Enoch Morrison said Morrison Beba na game no etimi atwa. So you enjoy the rest of the video. Nti ahano players in the bench na eba na benyine mo so mo di akire nti Kalu Atara mo nyina eba. Now along the line also coach ni say another double substitution. Oji Abranti a friend so hana Mfegue ebechia Enoch Morrison no wishing the best. So now two substitutions now Oyi Nana Benyini Amoa na Oyi was saying Abranti friend Nicholas Sebon Swabem na Peter Akweswe Philip Ama Abranti friend we swaba nti na Oyi changes ni ade. So Opoku and Eba no ama bibia akoye. So this is where he came in to take off Abranti friend so this is the end of the game now ended. So you enjoy the other things that happen after the game ended. Yusuf.
Hey, Richie.